Happy Halloween, guys! So today is our Halloween, and since pandemic, we're gonna go trick or treating like last year. So we will just do a pretend trick or treat. So the kids are outside, and they are. Hang on.
Trick or treat!
Go back a bit. What's this monkeys doing? Trick or treat.
Trick, treat, treat, treat.
Where's your baskets?
Trick or treat.
Zach?
Now we have to find them.
No, it's not Easter egg. Here. Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Treat. Treat.
Trick or treat. Pretend. There we are. Now you go trick or treat daddy.
Huh?
Hang on, wait. You go in there and you trick or treat daddy. You knock on his office first. Wait, slow down. You just wait. Knock there. Go on.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Yay.
What you got? Zoe's turn. Trick or treat in the lounge room.
Yeah. Yeah.
Found some.
Yay.
How much?
How much, Fredos? So much, Fredos.
Show me. What you got?
What?
Whoa, that's a lot.
They hide in different spots.
Alright. Behind you.
One, two, three, four.
It's there behind, beside that thing. Show me.
Happy Halloween! Halloween! Trick or treat! Trick or treat!
Go back a bit. I can see your costume. Look. Goodness. Say loud, Happy Halloween, everyone.
Happy Halloween, everyone! Everybody!
Right, bye now.
Bye-bye!
So guys, since it's pandemic, guys, there's no trick or treat. The streets are very quiet at the moment. So yeah, we just did our own trick or treat at home, and the kids have some chocolates. That's the main thing, and then we're gonna make some cupcake later with this. So we are making a Halloween cupcake. So hello, this is like a coffin. Rest in pieces. So we're making Halloween cupcakes. So I'm gonna put this in the oven. Let's put them in the oven. So how many minutes?
20 to 25.
20 to 25 minutes.
22.
Here we are.
I need it downhill. I need something sharp.
Here we go. It's growing. It's finished. Put your on, Zoe. You're gonna just put all pumpkin. Serious?
But they're not all old.
That's so cool.
I'm scared. What about that?
That's gonna have some.
Dad,
You're just putting it. It's ready, guys. Happy Halloween. We have to put the icing first a bit later. So that's the final product. Look at that. Put some whipped cream on top. Delicious. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching and happy Halloween. Please subscribe. Bye.